Thinking about using Coursiv.io to create and sell your online course? In this honest review, I'll break down what it offers, how it actually performs, and what real users are saying, so you can decide if it's worth your time and money. Coursiv.io is a no-code platform designed to help creators build and sell their own courses. It combines course hosting, landing page design, and payment processing into one clean, minimalist setup. It's marketed as a simpler, leaner alternative to platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, especially for solo creators and indie educators. So what stands out about Coursiv? You can launch your course quickly with drag-and-drop design. It supports custom domains, Stripe integration, and lifetime access sales. No monthly fees, just a one-time payment model, which a lot of creators appreciate. There's also no student limits or transaction fees on some plans. And it's designed to be distraction-free for both the creator and the student. But it's worth noting, it's still a small team and a relatively new platform, which shows in some parts of the user experience. Let's start with the pros. It's super simple to use, even if you've never built a website. It's great for minimalist course design, and the pricing structure is a big win if you want to avoid ongoing subscriptions. Solid email capture and sales page tools for direct marketing. Now the cons. It lacks advanced features like quizzes, certificates, or deep analytics. Support can be slow depending on the time of day, and some users say customization is limited unless you really know what you're doing. And since it's not mainstream, there's a smaller user community if you need help. Now, the reviews are mostly positive, especially from solo creators who want control without ongoing costs. Reddit and Trustpilot users praise its ease and simplicity, but some mention they had to rely on third-party tools to fill in the gaps. Overall, it seems to work best for people who want to sell content, not build an entire online school. So, is Coursiv.io worth it? If you want a simple one-time payment platform to launch a course fast, it might be exactly what you need. But if you're looking for depth or full-blown LMS features, it may fall short. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews.